Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Midea air conditioner turns off and on by itself in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to understand is that it may not be a fault. If the room reaches your set temperature, the AC will turn off automatically and then turn back on when needed. So in that case, you just have to try lowering or increasing the temperature slightly to test if it is in the normal cycling. Then you just have to simply take a look at the remote settings. Simply turn off the timer or the sleep mode, as these can make the AC switch on and off automatically. Reset those settings if needed. Now you need to also take a look at one thing, which is power source. The loose plugs, unstable voltage and the faulty outlets can cause the AC to restart. You can try a different socket or ensure that the connection is firm. Afterwards, make sure that you also clean the air filters to ensure the proper airflow. Then unplug the unit, wait for about 1 to 2 minutes and restart it. This also going to help you clear any kind of internal errors if available. So you can try all of these easy fixes and see if your Midea air conditioner is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.